Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to put a page number on Google Docs, not including the cover page. So, first one is simply open up the Google Docs application into your device. And now here, you could just simply go ahead and select one of your docs, or you could just simply create one by just simply tapping plus. And now, once you are here on your Word file, just simply go to the three dots on the top right. And after that, go for the print layout. And you should be able to see something like this. And just simply go to the pencil icon at the bottom. And just simply select plus at the top. And just simply scroll down and go for the page number. So now from here, guys, you could just simply select the second one and the fourth one. And as you can see, you will have a sample, which the cover page does not include the number. And once you have tap on it, just simply zoom out. And as you can see, we don't have a page on our cover, and the page number will start at the second page. There you go. See ya.